Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Leche Flan steam. First, let's create the caramel base. Gently melt 1/2 cup of granulated sugar in a pan over low heat, swirling occasionally until it transforms into a beautiful amber color. Immediately pour this hot caramel into your anura or chosen heat-proof mold, tilting it to coat the bottom evenly. This sweet, golden layer will be the delicious top of your flan. Next, we'll prepare the rich flan mixture. Carefully separate 10 egg yolks, reserving the whites for another recipe if you wish. In a bowl, gently whisk these yolks together with 1 can of condensed milk and 1 can of evaporated milk until just combined. Avoid overmixing to prevent too many air bubbles. Finish by stirring in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for that classic aroma and taste. Now it's time to steam your delicious flan. Carefully strain the egg mixture into your caramel-lined anura to ensure a smooth, silky texture. Cover the mold tightly with aluminum foil to prevent water from dripping in and to ensure even cooking. Place the covered mold in a steamer over simmering water and steam for 35 to 45 minutes, or until the flan is set but still slightly jiggly in the center. Once steamed, let your Leche Flan cool completely at room temperature before transferring it to the refrigerator. Chill it for at least 4 hours, or ideally overnight, to allow it to firm up perfectly. When ready to serve, run a thin knife around the edges, then invert the mold onto a serving plate for that beautiful caramel topping. Enjoy your homemade Leche Flan. Also, for an effortless cleanup after your culinary adventures, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.